In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to format your Google Doc into columns. Whether you're preparing a newsletter, a brochure, or just like the look of text boxes side by side, this is such a handy tool in Google Docs. Let's dive in. To begin, you want to open up Google Docs and pull up your document. If you're not already there, head over to docs.google.com and find the document you want to edit. Once it's open, you've got the foundation to get started on adding columns. Now, here's an optional step that you might want to consider. If you only want to format a part of your document into columns, you'll need to highlight the specific text you want to adjust by highlighting just part of the text. You can keep the rest of your document in its original form, maintaining the diversity in your document's layout. However, if you prefer having the entire document in columns, there's no need to highlight anything at all. In this case, whatever column format you choose will apply to the whole document. Once you've decided whether to